reset the pin back to 000. If you recently bought an LG TV manufactured between 2010 and 2012, and you discovered that it's locked, don't worry, this is very common with models from that era, especially the LD, LE, LK, LW, and early LM series. Many of these TVs were built for both home and hotel use, and when you buy them second-hand, you often find parental locks, hotel restrictions, or even key locks still active. Fortunately, unlocking them is simple if you know the right codes. In this video, I'll walk you through every reliable method used to unlock LG TVs manufactured before 2013. By the end, you'll know how to clear forgotten passwords, disable hotel mode, reset key locks, and even perform a full factory reset if needed. Let's start with the basics. The default password on most LG TVs of that generation is either 0000 or 1234. If you see a password prompt while trying to access the settings menu, these are the first codes to try. If they work, you can go into the lock menu and create a new password that you'll remember. But what if someone changed the PIN and you don't know it? Don't worry. LG included secret reset codes. At the password screen, instead of guessing, enter 0313 or 0325 or 7777. These codes reset the PIN back to 0000 and let you set a new one. This trick works on nearly all 2010 to 2012 models.
If you make mistake in polarity, your results will not be as planned. In fact, it will give you something else, because sometimes what they do is that the voltage and the current, the voltage from each other will cancel out each other if you make mistake in the polarity, and your readings will be irregular and not as expected. So polarity is very, very important when connecting in series and then in parallel. Very, very important. Polarity is very, very important. So this is the panel work that we are doing. So when we finish with the panel, we've already done the installation, the inside connection, we've already done it. We've done the charge controller connection. We've also done the electrical connection. We've done the electrical separation for the place. So we're using this solar to power a restaurant. It's a restaurant, so we're using it to power the restaurant. So it's way better than the panels that were there before. What we had there before was about 6 150 watts polycrystalline panels. So we are done with the connection. We are covering the trunk because we've run the cables. We are covering the trunk. Okay. So we've done it. Done the connection. Like you can see, initially we have 2 boxes there, breaker boxes. One is very small and the other is smaller than this, but we've installed everything in one breaker box. So we're covering it to make it look better and nice. Covering it. While I try to cover it, you can see that accidentally we are tripping the switch. Okay, probably covered now. This is way better than the other systems, and the more reason why we installed this is that we also installed CCTV camera there. The CCTV camera will be able to monitor the vehicles that parked outside the restaurants. We have about a 6-point camera installed in that restaurant. I will show you the video of how we connected the CCTV camera. So the essence of this is that they want it to power the CCTV without going off. Alright, we are done with this, and I've also done the configuration. You don't just install a charge controller, you configure the charge controller based on the kind of battery you have. This is the inverter. The inverter is a luminous 2.5 kVA inverter. We are using this system to power the restaurant entirely and the CCTV system to make sure that the place is secure. Okay, thanks for watching. Please, if you have any question, please DM us or write to us on our comment section and we'll reply. Please like and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much, we appreciate. This is CCTV camera that we installed. You can see the way it is. The DVR is suspended. Okay, this is the inside. You can see the CCTV camera. So the essence of the solar is to keep these systems running, and also the refrigerator and other things. You can see how we hung the DVR. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it.